first vlog. Wait a minute. Hello, I did work from home today, तो ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं. I was supposed to go to my sister's house, but बहुत सारी meetings आ गई तो वो भी नहीं हो पाया. अभी just meeting खत्म करके I'm going to air fry some momos, eat momos and binge watch a movie. Think that's all. I'll see you tomorrow though. Bye bye.
Hi friends, welcome to my vlog. Oh, not my vlog.
Hello guys, this is my vlog. This is our guest Prasad.
Hi.
Don't mind anything he
Yeah.
says.
She's just paying me 1,000 rupees per
Not
one
even
vlog
1,000. It's 1 rupees per vlog.
per 1 second. Okay, I'm not free here.
1 second. Okay, it will be 1 minute video. 60 seconds, so 60 rupees. Today, tell me what game are we playing?
We'll be playing gossip fun session.
No gossip. No office
No
gossip.
gossip?
No,
Okay.
no office gossip. Or we can play that game.
Which game?
Like guess the number game.
Okay. I'll do
You
it.
think a number in your head,
Okay.
I'll think a number in my head,
Okay.
and then we'll guess the number.
Okay.
By saying
First it goes to you. You think some number in your brain.
okay. I have a number. Do you have a number?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll
Is it-
start.
I'll start. I'll guess first.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
It is 3 lakhs.
You have to think
Is
of a
this your
number
is-
0 to
Okay.
100.
I was thinking about your package.
Okay.
Okay, now you guess.
What? Wait, we have to guess our package?
No. It's just the number. But I was thinking about your package related number.
Okay.
Is 3 lakhs your package? You can tell Tanya to your audience.
No, I'll not tell. No money talks. Okay, we have to think number between 0 to 100.
Okay, done.
Then, right? Yes. Is your number greater than 50?
No.
Okay. Next,
Sorry.
you ask.
Okay. Is your number less than 10?
No. Is your number greater than 30?
No. Is your number less than 30?
No. Is your number less than 15?
You're doing sorting. Huh? Using your software skills, huh?
Yes. 10.
Okay. Is your number greater than 50?
Yes.
Is your
Wait,
number
my turn.
Okay.
Is your number greater than 5?
No.
Okay.
Is your number greater than 75?
No. Is your number 3?
No. You have asked. Okay, you have failed. Now I'm going to ask. Is your number less than 65?
Yes.
No, you lost.
I
I
lost.
No, you have guessed the number. You should not guess the number.
I'll keep. It's like asking questions. I lost one
No, but
question.
you did not
I
ask
did
the
not.
question.
I asked.
You guessed it.
Is your number 3? That's a question.
Okay. Okay.
Is your number less?
You can't argue with girls. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Is your number less than 3?
Yes.
Okay.
Is your number less than 60?
Yes. Wait. Is your number less than 2?
Yes. Is your number less than 55?
No. Is your number 1?
Maybe.
You have to say yes.
No, maybe
if
it
it
can
is, if it is, you have to say yes.
Okay, no.
Okay. How
Is
that
your number
possible?
58?
No. Is your number 2?
No. Is your number 57?
No. Is your
Is
number 0?
Is your number
Is your number
56?
0? Is your
Yeah.
number 0? Okay. Yes, I won. Okay,
Okay.
guys, I think we have got enough content from Prasad.
Bye,
We'll
guys.
say bye. Bye-bye.
You are not uploading this, right?
The Thursday night ko I got a gift from my friend. This is me trying to unwrap it in the Friday morning. Yeah, so this is me just woken up trying to unwrap a gift. थोड़ा सा ओवर एक्टिंग भी हो गई है यहाँ पे because I was not expecting it at all. And thank you so much. Yes, that's what I said. Next, I'm trying to unbox it. This took a little time, and again, I'm very shocked. Yep.
To evacuate the building. Please leave by the nearest exit. Do not use the lifts.
लैपटॉप तो मैंने भी खूब
Saturday ko I went to Tira to find myself a good foundation, but I couldn't find anything with like light coverage and which doesn't oxidize. So this was me trying K Beauty. I didn't like it. I didn't bought it. After Tira, we went to home center to do some time pass. Now this is me trying to look aesthetic and pretend that I'm going to buy something. But I really liked this chair. It had good feel and it looked very different to me. So this is me doing a sitting check. I don't know what it's called, but yes, this is me sitting on it, trying to get a feel of it. And then this is me being curious about the price, which was definitely out of the budget. तो हम अपना झोला उठाते हैं और निकल पड़ते हैं दूसरे स्टोर की तरफ. इतना फ्री टाइम होने के बाद भी तो मूवी में लेट पहुंचो, दैट्स अ स्किल. दिस इज़ द मूवी आई वॉच्ड, ओडेसी. इट वॉज अ प्रेटी गुड मूवी. This is just a random video because I forgot to shoot an outro of the vlog. So, thanks for watching and please do subscribe. Bye bye.